Hello friends, let's see the brush method to grow mustard and garden cress. This has given me a very good success, so let's grow them both in our microgreen mix. So now let's add a base layer of 1.5 inch in this tray with holes, and then we will level it nicely. Now once we level the base layer, now what we'll do is we'll just use a clean toothbrush and we'll just roughen the top surface. This will help the seeds to bolt to the soil properly. So we will not add any top layer of soil. Usually the small seeds, they catch a mold if the top layer of the soil is not added properly. So let's roughen this top soil with a clean toothbrush. Now we'll broadcast the seeds. First we'll start with mustard. Just start broadcasting the seeds. See that the seeds are not overlapped. Yes. So next we will grow garden cress. You can note the seed density. This is mustard and this is garden cress. So we are not adding any topsoil for this. What we now do is we water like a cloudburst. We'll do the same for garden cress. Spray well for the first time. Since both the seeds are non-soaking types, you must bring the moisture level to almost 90% for a very good germination. So now the very important step is for mustard, we will put tray inside tray with a weight so that there is very good germination. But for garden cress, we will not put the weight, just dome the tray directly. So yes, we are done with the sowing. Yeah, so after 48 hours, let's check. Yesterday we had given a light mist. So if you see this beautiful germination. So today also I will mist it lightly and dome it again. Let's see mustard. We have still kept the weight. Wow, look at this. So beautiful. Check the germination. So now again this also we will be misting today. So we need not keep the weight now. What we will do is we will dome this. Yeah, so today is day 3. Wow, look at this. Beautiful germination. We'll start bottom watering. So and expose this crop to light. So what you must do is just pour a little water in the other tray, maybe this much, and just dip this tray. Yeah, this is bottom watering. So from today we'll expose this crop to light. We'll do the same with garden cress. We'll keep one more tray. Just pour some water in this and dip this tray. We expose both the crops to sunlight or artificial light from today. Today is day 6 and both the microgreens are almost ready. You can harvest them today or tomorrow. Look at this root system. We are doing bottom watering every day, just once a day. Mustard will have a nice spicy flavor and garden cress will have a nice sharp peppery flavor. So both these microgreens are very nutritious and they are totally organic. You can grow them from the grocery grade seeds which are available from your kitchen. If you have any doubts, please share with us. We'll definitely try to help you. Happy growing!